story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello guys, what's up? This is just a short video, nothing too long. Just letting you guys know that I have to cut my live short last night due to the fact that StreamYard was giving a lot of trouble, so I just went half an hour. But guess what? I have in store for you guys. I am going to do a credit giveaway. And yes guys, Digicel credit giveaway. So it's Digicel credit giveaway. So if you don't use Digicel, you maybe have somebody who you can give it to. So it's Digicel. And this credit giveaway is sponsored by no other than BattleBlocks Music. Yes guys, BattleBlocks Music. So what we're going to do is how much do you know my channel? How much do you know my channel? So more want to go do no research and how much you know about my channel, this Life with Corey Goodas. You understand? Because everything that I'm going to ask is going to be it's already there now, but I don't have to know it, and the first person with the first answer them get it, you know. So I'm gonna give away to first place, second place and third place. You understand? Credit is gonna give away to first place, second place and third place, guys. So what soon later on my live and bless up on yourself and big up yourself again, Badu. I really do appreciate this, what you are doing. You understand? I really do appreciate the love and the support from everybody, each and every one of you guys. So soon later on, 9 o'clock Eastern time zone, which is going to be 8 o'clock in Jamaica. You understand? So if you don't want to know what time, if I'm going to say Eastern time zone, which I'm going to post something about it soon. So 9 o'clock, and I'm not going to go live late. So I want to get on yourself together, go to work, get to know about my channel, and come back. Yeah, make sure you know about it, you know. Bye.